Hey future doctors, welcome back to Academically. I am Sunidhi Shahi, your host, and if you are on the path to a medical career in the UK, you might be asking, should I go for the PLAB or aim higher with the postgraduate exam like MRCP, MRCS or MRCP-CH? Well, today we are going into all the details to help you make the best decision for your future. So let's get started. Let's start by understanding what each of these exams is all about. PLAB or the Professional and Linguistic Assessment Board Test is a licensing exam for doctors who have trained outside the UK. It's designed to assess whether you have the necessary skills and knowledge to practice medicine in the UK. Once you pass the PLAB exam, you will gain General Medical Council GMC registration, allowing you to start working in the NHS. On the other hand, postgraduate exams like MRCP, MRCS, MRCP-CH and MRCOG are specialty-specific exams. These exams not only lead to GMC registration but also prepare you for more specialized roles within the NHS. Think of them as steps onto the ladder towards becoming a consultant in your chosen field. So when should you consider taking the PLAB? PLAB is ideal if you are at the beginning of your medical career or have limited experience. It is an easier way to get into the NHS and start gaining experience. After passing the PLAB exam, you could apply for an FY2 standalone post or even start foundation year role. The FY2 standalone program is a one-year training opportunity in the UK for doctors who have completed their first year of foundation training or equivalent abroad. It allows international medical graduates like you to gain NHS experience with responsibilities similar to regular FY2 doctors. But remember guys, PLAB is a licensing exam, not a postgraduate qualification. It's perfect if you want to start working in the NHS quickly and build your career step by step. However, it won't give you an edge in specialty training. So if you're looking to climb the ranks in a specific field, keep watching. Now, if you have some experience or if you're aiming for more specialized roles, postgraduate exams might be the way to you. These exams like MRCP for internal medicine, MRCS for surgery or MRCOG for obstetrics and gynecology are essential if you are targeting higher level positions or specialty training. These exams are more tough than PLAB and require a deep understanding of your chosen specialty, but they can fast track your journey towards becoming a consultant. Just be sure that you are prepared to take on the challenge because these exams are no walk in the park. So how do you decide? If you're just starting out and want to get registered quickly, PLAB is a solid choice for you. It's a straightforward and once you pass, you can start working and gaining valuable NHS experience for yourself. On the other hand, if you have more experience or if you're determined to specialize, a postgraduate exam could be your best bet. Remember, both PLAB and postgraduate exams will lead to GMC registration, but they serve different purposes. PLAB is your gateway into the NHS, while postgraduate exams are your pathway to specialization and advanced roles. Consider where you are in your career and where you want to go. Take your time and make the choice that's right for you. Do not hurry. And that's a wrap on today's discussion about the PLAB versus postgraduate exams. I hope this helps you to make an informed decision about your next step in your medical career. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Academically for more insights on UK medical exams and career tips. This is Sunidhi Shahi signing off, but do check out Academically's specialized PLAB preparation course by clicking the link in the description. Before you go, we have got some really exciting news for all of you. Dr. Akram Ahmed, the founder and CEO of Academically, is finally coming to India for MedConnect events. This is your chance to meet him personally, ask all your questions and gain awesome insights into your medical career. Registration is absolutely free of cost, but spots are really limited. So make sure you sign up really soon. Good luck with your exam preparation and we will see you in the next video.